I want to be very real, raw, and honest with you in this video. If you're looking at starting a side hustle here in 2025, then this is the ultimate toolkit video, meaning for you, I'm going to break down everything that you need inside of this video, how to start a side hustle, the tools you need, the equipment, all of that stuff. I'm going to break it all down for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, get all of the information, because I'm telling you, it's going to be good. And it's not what you think it is. Okay. So if you're new here, you're checking out this video, you're looking at, maybe side hustles, making money online, all that stuff. Maybe you're checking me out. I don't know. Do yourself a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified first. Anytime I put out new content, if I go live, you, my friend, will be the first to know. Now, I'm just going to rip the Band-Aid off. I'm going to let the cat out of the bag, and we're going to go to the number one most important tool you need if you're starting a side hustle right now, today in 2025. As a matter of fact, it is the only tool that you're going to need in your kit. And the reason why I said I'm going to keep this video raw and real and honest with you in the beginning here is I'm not going to do any edits in this video. It's just going to be talk, basic, simple. All you need right now, today in 2025, or whenever you watch this video, is a phone. That's it. That's it. Video over. See ya. No, but seriously, like you don't need. I have some fancy stuff over here. Okay, I have tripods. I have external microphones for when I'm taking the tripod out of the house and I'm recording. I have like windscreen stuff like that. I got the microphone here. I have lighting. Although right now, as I record this video for you, I'm recording it on a camera. This is an HD camera that you guys are looking at right here. I have my MacBook. You can see it right here, which I can see my video screen on. I have another monitor right here it's a big, I don't even know what, a 20-inch monitor that's sitting right here that you guys can't see. And I have sitting at like a desk, and even like the lighting right now, I'm just using, this is normal window lighting. I have two windows. If I spun the camera around, you'd be looking out into my front yard. I can see my grass and my driveway and everything else out there right now. If I record at night, I actually have lighting. I have two big pop-up tents that create beautiful lighting. But the point is, when you're starting a business online, when you're starting a side hustle, when you're starting to look for ways or going to start something, a side hustle, a side gig, whatever it is, supplemental income for you, your family, and whatever it is you're trying to do. Maybe you want to make a full-time income, whatever. All you need is this. You can get started with this. When I first got started back in 2016, this is all I use. I recorded all my videos on this. Even, yes, back, that's a few years ago, by the way, in 2016, when I got my online start, I recorded everything with this. And yes, today, now, you can record, you can edit, you can upload, you can do all the things you need to do to run any sort of basic affiliate or network marketing business from this. So if you're just getting started or you're looking to get started, you don't need this stuff. It's just stuff. And now, granted, like this, as an example, like this tripod, the windscreen, the microphones, I use this stuff like maybe like once a month, and realistically, could I record the same video without it? Psh, absolutely. I don't need it. It's just some of this stuff is cool to have. The microphone is cool to have. I bought this thing several years ago for probably $250, $260. Well worth the investment because of the things that I do. But when you're just starting out, you don't need the boom stand and the microphone and some of the gear. You just need this. That's it. This, like, the ultimate toolkit in 2025 for starting a side hustle is this thing right here. That's literally all you need. So there's so many misconceptions when it comes to starting a business online. I have, if you talk outside of gear and things you need and tools, I have people that start in my own business all the time, and they're like, how much money do I need for advertising? People, they automatically just assume that you need advertising dollars. And I'm like, you don't need any money. You have social media. You have Facebook and TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and whatever else you want to use, LinkedIn. They're all free. You can advertise your business for free. You don't need that stuff. Just like the same misconception is if I'm going to start a home-based business, I got to go get all this stuff. No, you don't. So don't overthink it. Just the most important thing that you can do right now in 2025 or whenever you watch this video is start. You either do it or you don't. There's no try. You can't try to start. You either start or you don't. I can't I can't try to sit in this chair. I'm either sitting in it or I'm not sitting in it. Does that make sense? I hope. You could take this, and I've seen people and I've worked with people, hundreds of them over the years, hundreds that have just started their business with this and made thousands of dollars. If they can do it, so can you. If I could start my very first video, my first, I don't even know, dozens of videos on YouTube back in 2016, and I'm telling you right now, I watched one the other day and I just went, wow, that is awful. DK, what the F were you thinking? I made my first several dozen videos with just this. So start. If you're looking into side hustles right now in 2025, you're looking to get started, freaking start. Stop overthinking. Stop worrying about gear. Stop worrying about all the stuff that you don't need to worry about and just go. Just start. Now, if you want to see what I do and how I make my money, I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You could simply tap on that, watch my full overview and tutorial, see what I offer, what you get, all that stuff. It's less than $100. Really simple, easy to join. Anybody can do it all around the world, all that sort of stuff. But I'll leave that for you here at the end of this video. You can tap on that and see if it's a fit for you. If you're here and you made it to this point in the video, do yourself a favor. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. Get notified first anytime I put out new content about side hustles, making money online, going live, all that sort of good stuff. All you got to do is tap that little subscribe-a-do thing. That's it. So if you're looking to get started, my friends, don't overthink it. That's where most people will pump the brakes because they overthink it. They get overwhelmed and they worry about stuff that you really don't need to worry about. Okay. You have a device in your hand that can do so much for you in so many good ways. So give it the opportunity to do that. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.